Hello and welcome to this guided meditation for starting your new year. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. To start the new year, we're going to start with some simple breathing exercises. I want you to take a deep breath in to the count of 4 and then exhale to the count of 5. Continue to do this. Since this is a new year, there are a lot of goals that people set out, and I want you to envision this goal that you have for yourself. Envision this goal and begin to breathe and focus on this goal. For whatever goal that is in your mind you have right now, I want you to envision yourself completing this goal of yours, no matter what it is. I want you to think about every step that it takes to complete this goal. Now let's bring our thought process back to our breath. I need you to breathe in to the count of 4 and then breathe out to the count of 5. If thoughts decide to clutter your brain, it's okay. Just think about your breath and follow that process. Breathe in, breathe out, and as you breathe out, I need you to relax. Continue to do this. Now I want you to think about the goal you set for yourself for this year. I want you to say, I will achieve this goal. I can do it. Now open your eyes and go do it.